Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're talking about Boolean. So I first create a first shape, which is a circle shape. And next thing I will do is to create another shape. Yes. Using the ellipse tool, then I'll click and drag for it to align by the center. So once that's done, I use Shift and select the two objects. And under this Boolean section, I click the union selection for a start, and I fill the color. So you can see how it is. So I can use Ctrl Z to go back, and I'll select a basic color for the first one and change the second one to blue. That's red and blue for the two shapes. So I'll highlight the two again using the shift. Hold shift after clicking the first one and click the second one. Then I come to subtract, and you can see what it does, subtract selection. So I click the next one, intersect, you saw what it did, and I click exclude, you see what it just did. So this is the Boolean groups in your Figma software. This is very useful when, let's say, you're trying to design a vector logo for whatever you're doing. So just watch what I'm just going to do here. I'll still create another. I'll highlight the two of them and exclude. Then click it, reduce the size using the Shift and Alt key. Then I'll just delete off the layer and change this to red, the former layer of the logo, and this my new shape now becomes my logo. You can see how easy that was. And I changed the color to green, and also further resize it so that it will fit the button and the grid of this current template. So that's just it. Easy peasy using your Boolean groups in your Figma software.